Hi guys, Mrs. Hawes here for our Comanche Art Virtual Classroom, officially week number 1. If you're watching me, you've gotten onto either Google Sites or Google Classroom. You probably watched the first video, you found your art materials that you can. You might have actually even seen the first choice card and worked on one of those. If you haven't, don't worry, we're going to get started today. Okay, so it's good morning. We are going to do choice card number 1 this week. Now I'm throwing in this recording early this morning and just for fun. So if all you can do is at one thing on that choice card, great. If you've got time, you want to, we're going to do this one together. So you'll see in the directions here on the screen, you see 2 very different landscapes. We're going to critique art today. We're going to talk about it. So let's have fun. Okay? So you see these 2 landscapes. They're very different. Well, the one on the left is abstract and the one on the right is something else. I want you to tell me in just a minute, what do you see? What do you see in each of them? Look carefully. Don't leave anything out. I'll give you a few minutes. Tell me what you see. Great! Did you see a lot of cool things like colors and shapes and patterns? I certainly did too. Step 2, I think. What do you think these pictures are about? What do you think's going on? Look at them carefully. I'll give you a few minutes. What do you think's going on? Great! Did you have fun talking about it? This one was probably hard. The left one was probably hard. The right one, maybe a little bit easier. What did you think those pictures were about? Step 3, I wonder. This task makes you think and use your imagination. It's not an answer that you can just spit out. What do you think's going on next? What's happening outside the box? What's going on next in the story? The left one might be a little challenging because it's an abstract, meaning you don't know what it is, but the right one might give you a little more inspiration. Take a minute. What do you think's going on in this picture? Next. Great. Step 4. If you want to send me what you thought was going on in one of the pictures next, certainly email me at teresamcentire@smsd.org. If you want to, great. If you don't, you certainly don't have to. But again, this is week 1 for March 30th. Good morning, artists. Work on bingo choice card number 1. Try to take 25 minutes one time this week and do one of the events on choice card number 1. If you have extra times, you can do the just for fun in this video. Are you ready? Have fun this week. I look forward to talking to you next.